Hello friends, my name is Anubhav More and today's date is the 18th October and today I am talking about the Angular 8 in so Angular community has released its latest version which is known as Angular 8. If you are familiar with previous version of Angular, it will not be difficult for you. You can easily upgrade your Angular CLI to version 8. So what is Angular? So Angular 8 is a client-side TypeScript based framework which is used to create dynamic web applications. It is a very similar to its previous versions except having some extensive features. So time to time new update webs application, location to location weather report the application, web application, user to user Facebook type application. So new features of Angular 8. The Angular 8 community has released its latest version Angular 8, impressive list of changes and improvements including the much awaited LVY compiler as OFT in future. So these are the most prominent features of Angular 8. Angular 8 supports TypeScript 3.4 version and Angular 8 supports web workers. The new compiler for Angular 8 is a LV rendering engine. Angular 8 provides dynamic imports for lazy loaded modules, improvement of ng upgrade. So TypeScript 3.4, Angular 8 support TypeScript 3.4 and it is required to run your Angular 8 project. So you have to upgrade your TypeScript version to 3.4. So web workers class. So JavaScript is a single threaded. So it is a common or more critical task like data call and take synchronously. Web worker facilitates to you run the CPU intensive competitions in the background thread. So freeing the main thread to update the user interface. Web workers can also be helpful if your application unresponsive, so while processing data. If you want to outsource such a calculation to a background, we must first create the web application web workers and the Angular CLI. So more about LV and Bazel. Levy is the new rendering engine and Bazel is the new build system. So both are ready to for proper use with the Angular 8. So the preview of these two should be available shortly. LVY is a new compiler and a runtime of Angular, and Angular 8 is the first release to offer a switch opt in into Levy officially. So LVY is supposed to be by default rendering engine in Angular version 9. So Bezels provide one of the newest features of Angular 8 and it is a possibility to build your CLI application and applications more quickly. The main advantages of Bezel are the incremental build and test. So it's provide a chance to make your backends and front ends with the same tool. It has a possibility to have a remote builds and catch on the build farm. So dynamic imports for lazy loaded modules. So Angular 8 facilitate you to use a standard dynamic import syntax instead of custom and a string for lazy loaded modules. It means lazy loaded import that look like this. So path colon slash student load children. So improved Angular CLI workflow. So the Angular CLI is continuously improving. Now the ng build, ng test and ng run are equipped by third party libraries and tool. For example, Angular Fire already we must already makes use of these new capabilities with a deploy command. So prerequisite of for Angular 8 tutorial, you must have installed node.js version 10 or npm will be updated also because it will be used for default, and here I am using node version 12.4.0. So you must have installed MongoDB on your system. You can see how to install MongoDB and click So workflow of Angular 8 tutorial here will create two separate projects, and one for front end and another for back end, and one for a back end. So express we will also create a background back end API which will explain which will be used by front end. So thank you.